Here's how to quickly activate your eSIM on your Android phone. You likely clicked this video from the activation guide or directly from your QR code screen. It looks like this. If you ever need to come back here, for example, to reinstall your eSIM on the same device, just go to View Details and select eSIM QR and Info. Now let's activate this eSIM on your Android phone. First, make sure you have internet on your phone. Wi-Fi or your wireless internet is fine. Open Settings. Tap Connections on Samsung phone or Network and Internet on another Android device. Tap SIM Manager or SIMs. Tap Add eSIM. Tap Scan QR Code and scan the code from your Bcengi activation screen. Tap Add. Activation will take few seconds. Now make sure you have data roaming enabled. You are ready to use your eSIM.